So now once again good afternoon to all of you, and now we are continuing our discussion of the predicate logic, and in this discussion we have to discuss the two important points about the predicate well-formed formula, or about the predicate or the representation of knowledge with the help of predicate logic. And these 2 points is the validity and satisfiability of the predicate well-formed formula. So now if we just see the entire discussion of predicate calculus and just try to compare it with the proposition logic, then one point we can highlight very explicitly, and this point is that a major motivation for choosing to use logic at all is that if we use logical statement as a way of representing knowledge, then we have available a good way of reasoning with that knowledge. This is quite true, we have seen it. Determining the validity of a proposition in proposition logic is very straightforward, and we have a decidable procedure for it, and we have called that procedure as the truth table method. But if we see the predicate logic on the other hand, and we can see the abilities or capabilities of the predicate logic, so now we can say that the predicate logic has a very good medium for representing the knowledge. We need to ask whether it also provides a good way of reasoning with the existing knowledge or not. If you see first, or at a first glance, you can say the answer is yes. Yes, we can, if any knowledge is being represented with the help of the predicate well-formed formula, then we can apply the rule of inference of predicate logic and derive the new predicate statements, or we can derive the new predicate well-formed formulas, or you can say that we are able to derive new knowledge from the existing predicate statement. But if you see it, or if you analyze it very deeply, you will find one thing, and this thing is that though it provides a way of deducing new statements from the old ones, but unfortunately, however, unlike the proposition logic, it does not process a decision procedure even in the exponential time. It means that if we derive a predicate statement, and that predicate statement is containing a universally quantified variable, or the sentence is involving the quantifier, and that quantifier suppose is the existential quantifier or the universal quantifier, then this is the problem, that how we will prove the validity of any predicate well-formed formula. It means to say how we will find whether that predicate statement is true or false. That means the point is that this is a very difficult task to know or to obtain the interpretation of any predicate well-formed formula, because the predicate logic does not process any decidable procedure to know or to find out the validity of the derived or any predicate well-formed formula which is containing the quantified variables. It is a problem, a major problem with the predicate, but we have a solution for it, and that solution is very critical one, or you can say there do exist a procedure that will find a proof of a proposed theorem if indeed it is a theorem. It's me to say that if we have to find a proof, or if we have to find a validity or interpretation of any predicate statement, then what we do, we interpret that this derived or this obtained well-formed formula of the predicate logic, we consider it as a theorem statement. You see, wait, try to understand again. मैंने आपको ये कहा, अगर माना हमें किसी के एक predicate well-formed formula की validity या उसका interpretation निकालना है, तो उसका, क्योंकि हमारे पास, या हम ये कहें कि हमारे predicate logic में कोई भी ऐसा decidable procedure नहीं है जो कि किसी predicate statement को, जिसके अंदर की universally quantified variable आ रहे हैं, उसका interpretation निकाल सके finite amount of time में. तो what we do, तो जौन से predicate well-formed formula की हमको interpretation निकालना है, या जॉन से well-formed formula की हमको वैलिडिटी प्रूफ करनी है कि वो वैलिड है कि नहीं है, तो what we do, we consider that predicate well from formula as a theorem statement. हम उसको एक थ्योरम मान लेते हैं कि ये एक थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट है. You know very well, if I consider a theorem statement, it means by default that statement is true. ठीक है, तो हमने उसको ये मान लिया कि ये प्रेडिकेट वेल फ्रॉम फार्मूला एक थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट है, और थ्योरम वो होती है जो अपने आप में ट्रू होती है. एंड नाउ व्हाट वी डू, इफ द proof of the theorem is existing, or if we are able to find the proof of the theorem with the application of rule of inference, then we will say the proof of theorem is existing, so our interpretation to consider that predicate well from formula as a theorem was right. It means that predicate well from formula is valid, or we can say it has interpretation true. But unfortunately, if no proof of the predicate well from formula is existing, or you can say if the statement is non-theorem, हमने ये कहा अगर माना जॉन से स्टेटमेंट को हमने थ्योरम माना था, अगर वो वास्तव में थ्योरम होगी तो उसका प्रूफ एग्जिस्ट रहेगा, और उस प्रूफ को हम रूल ऑफ इन्फ्रेंस से निकाल सकते हैं. या आप ये कहिए कि बाय अप्लाइंग द रूल ऑफ इन्फ्रेंस वी आर एबल टू फाइंड द प्रूफ ऑफ द थ्योरम स्टेटमेंट, देन दैट प्रेडिकेट वेल ऑफ फार्मूला विल बी, और इट इज हैविंग इंटरप्रिटेशन ट्रू, तो इट मीन्स इट इज ए वैलिड प्रेडिकेट वेल फ्रॉम फार्मूला. लेकिन अगर वो प्रेडिकेट वेल फ्रॉम फार्मूला थ्योरम नहीं हुआ, इट इज ए नॉन थ्योरम स्टेटमेंट, देन टू ऑब्टेन द प्रूफ ऑफ द थ्योरम विल बिकम नेवर halting process. It means to finding the proof of the theorem will become infinite process, or that process will never terminate. It is the problem with the predicate logic. So we can say, though it is not containing although it is not having a decidable procedure to find the validity of a predicate well from formula, but it has a semi decidable procedure for finding the validity or to obtain the interpretation of a predicate well from formula. मैंने इसको इसलिए कहा सेमी डिसाइडेबल, क्योंकि अगर जॉन से प्रेडिकेट वेल फ्रॉम फार्मूले की हमको वैलिडिटी निकालनी है, अगर वो हम उसको थ्योरम मानते हैं और वो वास्तव में थ्योरम स्टेटमेंट है, तो उस थ्योरम का प्रूफ एग्जिस्ट रहेगा. हम उसको फाइनाइट स्टेप्स में निकाल सकते हैं बाय अप्लाइंग द रूल ऑफ इन्फ्रेंस. लेकिन अगर वो नॉन थ्योरम स्टेटमेंट है, तो उस नॉन थ्योरम स्टेटमेंट के प्रूफ निकालने की जो प्रोसेस है वो नेवर halting प्रोसेस बन जाएगी. इसलिए मैंने कहा कि हमारी जो प्रेडिकेट लॉजिक में है वो हमारी इट इज़ नॉट कंटेनिंग द डिसाइडेबल प्रोसीजर, बट इट इज सपोजिंग द सेमी डिसाइडेबल प्रोसीजर.